Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture on word boundary. Word boundaries help us in performing regular expression searches for whole words while avoiding partial matches. The meta character \b is used to match at a position that is called a word boundary. There are three different positions that qualify as word boundaries. The first one is before the first character in the string if the first character is a word character. The second one is after the last character in the string if the last character is a word character. The last one is between two characters in the string where one is a word character and the other is not a word character. Now let's understand word boundary through some examples. If you want to match the pattern \b regular \b in the text regular expression, it will not match. It is because regular is part of the larger word regular expression. But if you try to match the same pattern in the text regular space expression, it will match because there is no word character just before or after regular. If you try to match the pattern \b reg in the text regular space expression, it will match because there is no word character before reg. Similarly, if you try to match the pattern expression \b in the same text, it will match because there is no word character after expression. Now let's discuss about \B meta character. This is the opposite of \B meta character and it matches at every position that is neither at the start or end of a word. If you try to match the pattern \B gular \B in the text regular expression, it will match because there is a word character just before G and after R. The last example is if you try to match the pattern \B regular \B in the text regular expression, it will match because there is no word character before R and a word character E just after R. Now let's explore these concepts in Jupyter Notebook. Let's write two sentences. The first one is practice regular expression. And the second one is also practice regular expression, but this time there is no space between regular and expression. Now let's make this line a comment. If you want to match the word regular in both the sentences, you can simply write the pattern regular. But if you want to match the word regular in the first sentence only, then you can take the help of word boundaries. Let's try to write a pattern that matches the word regular only in the first sentence but not in the second. Here we will take the help of functions. Write def followed by the function name, let it be evaluate underscore match, and within parenthesis write the parameter str1. Note that str1 is the string where the pattern will be matched. Write the pattern, write pattern equals. The pattern starts with the word boundary \b followed by regular and ends with \b. Let's create a variable x and assign it the search function. Write re.search and within parenthesis pattern comma str1. Now use the conditional statement if x followed by colon print match found. Else print match not found. Now let's call our function and evaluate the two sentences. Now run the cell. See that match found has been displayed only for the first sentence. This is because there is no word character just before or after the word regular in the first sentence. However, in the second sentence, although there is no word character just before regular, but there is a word character E just after R. Now let's discuss another example. If you want to write a pattern that matches regular only in the second string but not in the first, let's try to solve it. Let's first copy the above block of code and paste it in the next cell. Here again, the pattern will start with \b word boundary followed by the word regular, but it should end with the non-word boundary character \B. So just erase \B and replace it with \B. Now run this cell again. See that this time match found has been displayed only for the second string. Now let's try to write a pattern that matches exp only in the second string but not in the first. Let's again copy the above block of code, paste it in the next cell. Once again, we have to only change the pattern. Here, just replace the word boundary \B with non-word boundary \B. Also replace regular with exp. This pattern will match that exp which is preceded and succeeded by a word character. Now run this cell. See that match found has been displayed only for the second string. This lecture, I have discussed some very important concepts. Please practice this. Till then, thank you.